Cheers, I drink to that. Scheiße. Aua. Wanna get drunk and wasted with me? What the? Eee. Try Bolton. Fart.
I am a cone hat.
I hate being drunk. Wowzers. Happy New Year. Hello everyone and welcome back to my party night. Okay guys, so listen, today I look terrible because I just filmed 2 videos. There was a lot of stuff happening, but I want to film this video now. I'm ready for it. I'm ready to get drunk.
Wasted.
I always said, well, when I was old enough to drink alcohol, I wanted to film a makeup tutorial when I'm drunk. Well, get ready with me. It's kind of sad getting drunk alone, but I got my super close best friends right here next to me. Where are they? Okay, cool. Wow, I love that. Why do you already seem drunk? I haven't even drunk. Oh wait, actually I already drank something. Maybe that's why I'm so red. I'm like super red and my ears are red. I'm just like on fire, bitch. If you're underage in your country, then please don't do this. Don't drink. I'm just drinking because I'm a responsible adult. Vincent is gonna mix some amazing cocktails for me, a sex on the beach. Is there anything else to say? Time to get wasted. I quickly want to say, when I do my makeup drunk, it's been some time. I'm like not that kind of party girl anymore that I was once before when I was 18 or something. When I was doing my makeup drunk, like back in the days, I always felt like I did it amazingly. I don't know if it was because I was drunk, but I want to prove to you guys that I can actually do my makeup better when I'm drunk, because everything is just more effortless, you know? I don't want to make you laugh because I can't do my makeup when I'm drunk. I want to make you proud. Is that a good role model? Okay, Vincent, I'm ready for some amazing sex on the beaches. If you know what I'm saying, I'm not talking about the drink. Why do we seem drunk? We're not even, what is happening?
That's what they're all gonna say, that you just seem drunk in every video anyway.
Yeah, true. Okay, bye. You know, I'm just drinking the most expensive and most fancy kind of wines you can find in Germany. This one was $2.99 from Edeka. Hello, my little baby boy. Hello. You want to get drunk too? Want to get drunk and wasted with me? So do you know the recipe? Hey, hey.
A little bit of sugar.
Hey, hey.
Cocktail.
Cocktail.
How is it going? Are you drunk yet?
Me? Wowzers. A couple of sex on the beaches later. Are we running? How long has it been since we filmed the other video?
1 hour.
Honestly, I think it was more than 2 hours. Really? It's like almost 11 p.m. and we started at like 8 p.m. I think, right? I mean, I'm a pussy, so I need to drink slowly.
You're what?
A pussy.
Ah, pussy.
I thought I was hot when I started to film this video, but now I'm like, honestly, the hottest girl on earth. So, some things changed. I don't even want to watch this footage. I'm gonna be so ashamed of myself. So guys, I want to do a makeup tutorial today. Not because I want to do makeup, it's because I have to do makeup. I just realized I sound really drunk. Vincent? What the fuck? I haven't even started doing my makeup. Why am I so drunk right now? Honestly, right now I feel like all the people who did like a drunk makeup challenge weren't actually drunk because I'm drunk right now.
Wait, what?
What? Honestly, like, did you ever like see me being drunk?
No.
You didn't. Can you close the window?
It smells like fart in here.
It does. It's like all that's left in my nostrils. Fart. Okay, so what do you think of my foundation so far? Cheers, I drink to that. I hate being drunk. Oh yeah, honestly, like look at the view and find I'm just not good at that.
This is really light.
Try Bolton. Keep your eyes
locked on mine.
Let the music be a guide. You know, a gel. Warum kommst du mir auch drunk vor, obwohl du nur Saft getrunken hast?
I feel like man wird drunk, wenn man mit drunk läuft.
Meinst du? Das ist irgendwie voll cool, voll der Omega-Effekt.
I am a cone hat.
Honestly, I even brought like a scrunchie. Ow! Thank you so much, Vincent.
Who?
What the No.
Und da fettes Tempo.
No. Okay, I gotta carry on. I know like everything is funny right now because I'm drunk, like obviously. Eee. Okay guys, I haven't done my eyebrows yet, but I just feel like doing my eyeliner right now. I forgot how hard it is to apply makeup when you're drunk. So when I do my eyebrows, I just do them like really naturally. I don't draw in like Insta brows. I don't even draw in my brows. So I'm just doing that. Oh my fuck. Do you feel pretty with your normal brows?
No.
Honestly guys, just your brows. Have a good time. Just live your life. What kind of eyeshadow should I do? What kind of color?
Do you want to do a cut crease or something like that?
Oh no. No, honestly it's a cut crease. What the fuck? Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna just do like a green. I'm gonna do a cut crease and then you'll be so amazed by how amazing my blending is. So I never even saw this brush in my life before, but I'm still gonna try to make a cut crease with it. I feel like everyone can do a cut crease if they want to, because a cut crease is not as hard as everyone would think it'd be. Right? Cut crease. I can already feel I'm not like holding up to my promises. When I was younger, I was actually partying a lot. I was going out so much and just like having a good time and dancing, but also I was like very self-unconscious. Self-conscious. But also I was like very self-unconscious and me? I was feeling very self-conscious. Putting on makeup before going out made me feel like confident. That was the only thing that made me feel actually good about myself, which is kind of sad, but also I feel like it's kind of normal these days because we all have these typical Instagram models, idols, icons, whatever we compare each other to.
I think they get it.
When I watch that footage, I'll be like, what the fuck are you talking about? Okay guys, let's finally do the eyeliner I wanted to do like 2 hours ago. Oh, ich habe meine Augapfel angemalt.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You're a slave for the pussy, no, not lie. Honestly, let's just freaking a pie. Do you still know my lash glue song?
Putting on a lash glue.
I just had goosebumps. I didn't even think that you knew the song anymore.
Why wouldn't I?
I don't know, because you had like other stuff to do.
I didn't say I hated it.
Is it better now? Honestly, what even is makeup anyway? Drink water.
Yeah, it's contra that beach.
Right? So all the people in your life who are bullying you. What the? So I might have applied too much of the lash glue and now my eyelid is stuck to my eyelid.
Honestly, just put some glitter on it.
Glitter? Yeah. Just put some... More than you could ever know. This is getting too much for me. Kilani, I love you. Please marry me.
I think it's the best makeup look you've ever done.
Okay, listen guys, I might have applied too much blush so I look like Marie Antoinette, but also I know that doesn't define my personality. Who says a lot of blush is a lot of blush if it's only the blush you want to apply?
And Selena Gomez once said, who says you're not perfect?
I love this video. Okay guys, I'm just applying some highlighter right now.
Naomi, what are you doing?
Yeah. So listen, I actually picked a black liquid lipstick. I picked Jeffree Star Weirdo, which is my favorite black lipstick, and I just wanted to apply that because it's kind of a challenge to apply black lipstick drunk, so I'm just gonna apply lipstick.
Wow, fantastic, phenomenal. This is the best thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Wow, wowzers.
Honestly, why am I even pretending I can do my makeup drunk? Oh shit. Let's just put some makeup on my black lips. I'm done with my makeup right now. I'm done.
It's amazing though, by the way.
The makeup?
No, the thing spray.
I feel kind of ashamed because I said at the beginning I'm able to do my makeup like actually better than I can do it sober.
And also this kind of looks like when I did your makeup.
It does. I'm not saying you can do bad makeup, but like I could do better makeup. There's like noodles everywhere.
Yeah, see, that's what I was afraid of.
Noodles everywhere? What even is life? Okay guys, so there's a lot going on right now. Honestly, my makeup is horrible. We can't deny that. It's just, yeah. It's just really freaking not good. And I'm just gonna, you know, these are really yummy though. So we can all agree on you just can't do your makeup well when you're drunk. Ew. But I'm glad Oscar and Vincent stayed with me. So anyway, thank you guys so much. Do you wanna get into the frame for the outro? We need to be together. We're all in this together, you know what I'm saying? We can all agree on that doing your makeup drunk is not pretty, but that doesn't define your beauty.
Amen.
Amen. So don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram.
Naomijon Snap on
Snapchat.
and the Naomijon on Twitter. I think that was beautiful, but I don't really know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you.
I did not want to eat your noodles.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my
Next video.
next video. Bye.
Bye.